Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this tutorial we're going to discuss about how to enroll for free in any Coursera course. We are applying financial aid. Like most of people find difficulties in applying for financial aid, like where the link to apply for any specific course. So I'm gonna clear it so you could apply this method on any course, and also gonna give you the answer, actually a boiled template of the script that you have to answer in the financial aid. So let's start the tutorial. All you need is a browser with internet connection. Okay, so here I'm gonna use DuckDuckGo. Here I search for Coursera, and here we go, and click on the first link. Guys, let me clear it that I already have account, so I'm gonna log in. If you don't have account, you're gonna sign up for it. It's pretty simple, like you are making a new account for Facebook or something like that. So here I am logged in with my credentials, and here's a step to understand carefully. You can see here the box for searching course, and I'm gonna search for a course that I'm interested in to get certified. I'm gonna search cyber security. So here comes Google cybersecurity. That seems good. I'm gonna click enter. So here the diploma type course, cybersecurity professional certificate. That seems good. Okay. So here you can see here the financial available link. I'm gonna click it, and according to Coursera policy, you can apply only for one financial aid at a time. So you have to select any one of these courses that you wanna. I'm gonna select for the fifth one. Okay. Here I proceed for next. Select course again. So college degree, I don't have any. Some college. PRK0, I'm a student. I've already applied for financial aid before, so it's showing that the reason that I am applying for financial aid, as I wrote it earlier. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna select for $0 as I don't wanna pay for any. So it's asking now, how will your selected course help you with your course? Okay, so we have to write all at least 150 words, or else we could not apply for financial aid. It's a long time to write this fucking word, but don't worry, I already have an answer for it, and let me show you. Here I go for financial aid. Here's answer number 2. I will also paste it in the description, and probably in comment section, so you can also copy paste it. I want to pursue cybersecurity. That's I'm gonna. It's actually like a boiled template, as I told you earlier in the starting of this video. I'm gonna change some things, like I'm gonna change course name from here. Control plus C, copy, and Control plus V, paste. Okay, it is still not okay. I'm gonna answer THANK, thank you. So it's completed now. Actually, I have to type this sentence again here in the box. I'm not a robot. I have to confirm that I'm not a robot and review. Then submit application, and that's all about this video. If you liked the video and found it helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can visit our channel to watch more cybersecurity related videos and tutorials.